This is not just a small car. This is the 2026 Ford Fiesta, a compact machine that feels bigger than life. With next-generation design and surprising technology, this Fiesta will challenge everything you thought you knew about small cars. Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Autonex Drive. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you are healthy, happy, and moving closer to your dreams every single day. You deserve the best in life, and today I have something special to share with you. Remember, success begins with belief. Just like Ford believed in reinventing the Fiesta, you too can reinvent your own journey. Dreams that look small today can grow into something massive tomorrow. Keep chasing them. The 2026 Ford Fiesta is more than an update. It is a revolution in compact car design. A car that proves size does not define greatness. Fiesta is back with style, technology, and confidence. From the outside, the new Fiesta feels fresh and bold. Sleeker lines, a wider stance, and modern LED lighting give it a confident look that makes it stand out even against bigger cars. The grille is sharper, the body is more aerodynamic, and the proportions make it look larger than it really is. This small car does not whisper. It speaks loudly with personality and character. Step inside and you will forget this is a compact car. The cabin feels open, refined, and surprisingly premium. Soft touch materials, clever use of space, and modern design create comfort that rivals larger cars. The dashboard features a large touchscreen powered by Ford Sync 5 with seamless smartphone integration, voice control, and crisp graphics. Technology once reserved for bigger cars is now in your compact ride. Front and rear passengers enjoy excellent space, ergonomic seating, and thoughtful storage. It is the kind of car that makes daily commutes and long drives equally enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2026 Fiesta offers efficient yet exciting engine choices. From turbocharged 3-cylinder power to mild hybrid options, it balances fuel economy with surprising punch. Lightweight and nimble, this Fiesta dances through corners with precision. The steering feels sharp, the suspension tuned for comfort and agility. Driving it feels big, even though the car is small. Fuel efficiency is another win. With hybrid technology, Fiesta offers outstanding mileage. A small car that not only saves you money but also reduces your environmental footprint. Safety is no longer an option, it is a standard. The Fiesta comes with advanced driver assist features like lane keep, adaptive cruise, and automatic emergency braking. Peace of mind is always with you. The 2026 Fiesta proves that great cars do not need to be expensive. With an affordable price tag, it gives buyers premium design, modern tech, and driving fun without breaking the bank. Since 1976, the Ford Fiesta has been the people's car. Beloved across Europe and beyond, it has carried millions with style, economy, and spirit. Now in 2026, its legacy grows stronger. Against rivals like the Volkswagen Polo or Toyota Yaris, the new Fiesta feels fresher, more connected, and more engaging. A small car with the heart of a much bigger competitor. Imagine holding the wheel of this Fiesta. The city streets open before you, every turn feels alive, every mile feels effortless. It is not just a drive, it is freedom in compact form. Just like this small car proves it can feel big, remember that your dreams too can grow beyond limits. No matter your size, your background, or your challenges, greatness can be yours. If you love what you are seeing, hit that like button and subscribe to Autonex Drive. Together we will continue exploring the cars that inspire and excite us. Tell me in the comments, would you choose the new Fiesta over its rivals? Do you believe small cars still matter in today's world? I am excited to hear your thoughts. And stay tuned, because the automotive world is full of surprises. The next car we review may shock you even more. You will not want to miss what is coming. As we close this ride, remember that even the smallest step can lead to the biggest success. Like the Fiesta, you too can surprise the world with your strength and potential. This was the 2026 Ford Fiesta, the small car that feels big with next-gen design and surprising tech. Thank you for watching Autonex Drive. Stay inspired, stay strong, and always drive your dreams forward.